Hi, today's Tuesday, August 14th at 5:20 p.m. Grandma came today for a visit and brought you your high chair, and you just woke up from a nap. Daddy's on his team call, and I made Isabella some rice cereal. This is your Healthy Times Organic Baby Brown Rice Cereal, and Mommy's going to give you a taste to see how you like it. Take your little toys away. Here's the bowl right here. See, I'm stirring it up. Okay. And we'll just get a little bit there. Okay, and hi. Mommy's so coordinated, I can do this and feed you at the same time. Yummies! Oh, yummy! That tastes yummy. Uh-oh. It's okay. That's cereal. That's cereal. Do I need to make it thinner?